Students, next we see the comparison of adverbs. When we talk about comparison, we at once go to the degrees of comparison of adjectives. There are 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. These 3 degrees are also used with adverbs. Some adverbs like adjectives have 3 degrees and they are used as such for comparison. If the adverb is of one syllable means that there is one vowel in the composition of the adverb, then we make its comparative degree by adding er, and we make the superlative degree by adding est after the positive degree of adverb, just as fast, long, hard, soon, loud. These adverbs, they are changed to comparative degree and superlative degree by adding er and est after them, just as hard, harder, hardest, long, longer, longest. But there is an adverb early. We change its comparative degree by replacing y with I and adding er and est, just as early, earlier, earliest. The examples can be: he ran fast, positive degree; Arjun ran faster, comparative degree; and Mukesh runs fastest of all, superlative degree. We see that when we use these comparative and superlative degrees, there is also a rule that after comparative degree we use the word than, and before superlative we use the word the. There are some adverbs which end in ly. They are changed to comparative by adding more, and to superlative by adding most before them, just as swiftly. In swiftly we see there is the ending part suffix ly. This adverb will change to comparative as more swiftly and superlative as most swiftly. There is another example: skillfully. So we use it as more skillfully and most skillfully when we make the comparative and superlative degrees. Some of the compound and commonest adverbs, the adverbs which are common to us, from their comparative and superlative degree irregularly, means no rule applies to them. They are changed to comparative and superlative differently, just as ill. Ill is the positive degree, its comparative degree will be worse and worst. Badly, worse and worst. We have well, much, little, near, for and late adverbs in this class, which form their comparative and superlative degrees in an irregular way. Here from the table you can see how they are changed to comparative and superlative. Much, more, most, and well, better, best. Near, nearer, nearest, and for, farther, farthest. So we see that these adverbs are formed by many methods, and there is that comparison of adverbs of degree, adverbs of time, and the common adverbs are used for comparison. There are certain adverbs which are not used for comparison, just as now, then, here, there, once and always. They are not used for comparison. They are simply used to add to the meaning of the other word. Thank you.